Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your unwanted apps in your laptop permanently. For this, you need to move to search bar and type add or remove programs. Open this option by clicking this open button. Now here there is a list of all apps in your laptop. Scroll down and select your unwanted app you want to delete from your laptop. Once you find your app, click on this app and click this uninstall button. By clicking this uninstall button, this app will remove from your PC permanently. The second method of removing unwanted apps from your laptop is to move on search bar and type here control panel. Open control panel by clicking this open button. Now here under program section, click on this uninstall a program button. You will be provided all the programs or apps of your laptop. Select the application you want to delete from your PC. Like in my case, I want to delete Windows PC Healthcare Check. Double click it and a dialog box will open. Are you sure you want to uninstall this application? Click this yes button. By clicking yes button, all the files of application will remove from your PC. Yes, you can see that application of PC Health Check is removed from my PC. So that is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.